Hi guys. So in this lecture we'll discuss about strategy and plan that should follow while preparing for MPSC mains exam. So the objectives which we have while preparing for MPSC mains exam are completion of syllabus, revision of syllabus and practice. Okay. So talking about syllabus, we have to complete total 20 subjects. So this is our task. So how much time we require for completion of these 20 subjects? If we consider 4 months, so 4 months approximately it's 120 days. Total subjects are 20. So 120 divided by 20 will get 6 days per subject. Okay. So you have to complete one subject in 6 days. Is it possible? No, it is not possible at all. If we consider time of preparation 10 months, then total number of days are 300, total subjects 20. So for each subject we'll get 15 days. Okay, this is possible. So according to me, for effective preparation for MPSC mains, you will require 10 months. So accordingly, it's a 10 months plan for MPSC mains. I have given 15 days duration for each subject. You can see these are the subjects. You can go through it. I have mentioned all these subjects. Okay. So reference book I will mention in some other video. So the next question arises, which subjects should you prepare first? Let me tell you from my experience. What students generally do while preparing for any competitive exam is they first prepare hard subjects. Okay. But what I think, especially for this exam, that is MPSC MES exam, you should first prepare easy subjects because each subject has equal weightage. These all subjects which I have mentioned here, this each subject carries equal weightage of 10 marks. But if you see the syllabus there is a huge difference. So it's recommended from my side that first you complete easy subjects or small subjects. I have mentioned the list. These two subjects most of the students they leave because they first, excuse me, these two subjects most of the students leave because first they go for harder subjects and at the last moment they don't get time for reading this. So according to me, first you should prepare these all subjects. This will get completed in very less time and also it will give you a confidence for preparation of other subjects. As out of 20 subjects, these 7 subjects will get completed very fast. So next is how to complete a subject in 15 days. So completing a subject in 15 days is a difficult task. Okay. So first thing which I want to mention here is don't read any reference book at this stage. If you read a reference book for preparing of MPSC exam, it's a good thing, but you won't be able to complete a syllabus in 15 days as we have prepared. Okay. So what I think is in these 15 days, you should first on the day first, you should first go through the previous year questions of that subject. It will give you an idea about what are the questions or what type of questions MPSC asks in MPSC exam. Okay, then from the next day or the same day you can start completion of syllabus and then after completing the subject you should revise. Make sure to prepare short notes as it is very important for effective revision. So cumulative study, what this is? So this is what I want to suggest you. Before starting new subject, once revise the previous completed subject. Okay. What I want to tell you here is, if you complete first subject, okay, so after completion of this first subject you will go for second subject. Okay, fine. Now after completion of second subject, before going to the third subject, what you should do is you should first revise first two subjects completely. Once you are okay with these two subjects, then you go for third subject. Okay, after this, when you start the fourth subject, you should first go and complete the first three subjects. Okay, so this is known as cumulative study. What, how this helps in MPSC exam? See, if you continue this trend, you have total 20 subjects. If you follow this very properly, at the end of 20th subject, you will be ready with all the 20 subjects and there won't be any need for revision plan. Okay, so this is how you should prepare for MPSC mains exam. So notes and test series, from where to complete the syllabus, and what about the test series? So there are many good institutes in the market. I am not suggesting any specific institute because the work of institute is to complete the syllabus. Okay, to understand it and to practice, it's your job. Okay, so you can take the notes from any of these coaching institutes and start preparing. Similarly, the test series also, you can join test series of any of these coaching institutes. Importance of revision. As I have already told you, once you are ready with these 20 subjects, important is to remember this each and every subject. One day before exam, you have to be ready with all the 20 subjects. This is the main task for students. This is where majority of competition goes out. So you have to focus on this effective revision. Okay, for everything, this is the key. Okay, revision is the key. Remember this. Thank you.